All right, so now we have some potatoes for our mashed potatoes. So we have them peeled already. Let's grab a pot and we'll pull the turkey out of the oven. We're gonna ladle some of the juice into the pot because we're gonna cook our potatoes right in this turkey juice. This will give our potatoes a nice good flavor. Now we have our potatoes all cut up into big chunks down in that nice turkey broth. We're gonna wait for this to come to a real full boil, and then we're gonna cook the potatoes about 10 minutes or so. Keep checking them with a fork until they're soft but not mushy. Okay, so we have our potatoes strained and we have them back in the pot. I've added a stick of butter and I'm just gonna use the masher to smush them up a little bit. That'll help the mixer not have to struggle so much. We're gonna sprinkle a little bit of garlic powder on them because we like garlic powder and it tastes a little bit better than just a plain potato. You don't have to add garlic if you don't like it. We just tend to like that. We also add a little bit of ranch dressing, and I'm gonna add some dry ranch dressing mix because I don't have enough ranch dressing on hand, and being that it's Thanksgiving, no store is open. So we're gonna put this in here, and when you use the dressing, you're gonna use less milk and you're gonna use less butter because this will be your thing that will help make them mashed and whipped into nice good potatoes. So we're gonna go ahead and add some milk. We're gonna start out with a little bit because you can always add more, but you can't take it away. Too much milk will make your mashed potatoes like sticky and gummy. They won't be light and fluffy. So let's mix these up and see what we've got. All right, so this seems to be a good consistency. I'm gonna go ahead and stop mixing, put a lid on it, and just let them sit so they stay warm until the rest of the meal is ready. Thanks for joining. Like and subscribe below.